وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين.
And we admitted them into our mercy, for they were of the righteous.
وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
And we bestowed our favor upon the noon. Recall when he went forth enraged, thinking we have no power to take him to task. Eventually he cried out in the darkness, "There is no God but you. Glory be to you. I have done wrong."
فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين.
Thereupon we accepted his prayer and rescued him from grief. Thus do we rescue the believers.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And we bestowed favor upon Zechariah when he cried to his Lord, "Lord, leave me not solitary without any issue. You are the best inheritor."
فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له يحيى وأصلحنا له زوجه إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين.
So we accepted his prayer and bestowed upon him John, and we made his wife fit to bear a child. Verily, they hastened in doing good works and called upon us with longing and fear and humbled themselves to us.
والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وابنها آية للعالمين.
And also recall the woman who guarded her chastity. We breathed into her of our spirit and made her and her son a sign to the whole world.
إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون.
Verily, this community of yours is a single community, and I am your Lord, so worship me.
وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
But they tore asunder their faith into many parts, but to us they are bound to return.
فمن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون.
Then whosoever does righteous works while believing, his striving will not go unappreciated. We record them all for him.
وحرام على قرية أهلكناها أنهم لا يرجعون.
It has been ordained against every town that we ever destroyed that they shall not return to enjoy a new lease of life.
حتى إذا فتحت يأجوج ومأجوج وهم من كل حدب ينسلون.
Until Gog and Magog are let loose and begin swooping from every mound.
واقترب الوعد الحق فإذا هي شاخصة أبصار الذين كفروا يا ويلنا قد كنا في غفلة من هذا بل كنا ظالمين.
And the time for the fulfillment of the true promise of Allah draws near, whereupon the eyes of those who disbelieved will stare in fear, and they will say, Woe to us! We were indeed heedless of this. Nay, we were wrongdoers.
إنكم وما تعبدون من دون الله حصب جهنم أنتم لها واردون.
They will be told, Verily, you and the gods you worship beside Allah are the fuel of hell. All of you are bound to arrive there.
لو كان هؤلاء آلهة ما وردوها وكل فيها خالدون.
Had these indeed been gods, they would not have gone there. But as it is, all of you shall ever abide in it.
لهم فيها زفير وهم فيها لا يسمعون.
There they shall groan with anguish, and the din and noise in hell will not let them hear anything.
إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون.
But for those whom we had decided to favor with good reward, they shall be kept far removed from hell.
لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون.
They shall not hear even a whisper of it, and they shall live forever in the delights which they had desired.
لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون.
The hour of the great terror shall not grieve them, and the angels shall receive them, saying, This is your day which you had been promised.
يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين.
On that day we shall roll up the heavens like a scroll for writing. Even as we originated the creation first, so we shall repeat it. This is a promise binding on us, and so we shall do.
وَلَقَدْ كَتَبْنَا فِي الزَّبُورِ مِن بَعْدِ الذِّكْرِ أَنَّ الْأَرْضَ يَرِثُهَا عِبَادِيَ الصَّالِحُونَ.
Surely we wrote in the Psalms after the exhortation that the earth shall be inherited by my righteous servants.
إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين.
Herein surely is a message for those devoted to worship.
وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
We have sent you forth as nothing but mercy to people of the whole world.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say, it is revealed to me that your God is only one God. Will you then submit to him?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
If they turn away, say to them, I have warned you all alike, and I cannot say whether what you have been promised is near or distant.
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Indeed, He knows what you say loudly and what you hide.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
I think that this reprieve is possibly a trial for you, an opportunity to enjoy yourselves until an appointed time.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
The messenger said, My Lord, judge with truth. Our compassionate Lord alone is our support against your blasphemous utterances.